Introducing the 2023 Skoda Enyaq 60 IV60. 5. Door auto in striking blue with only 5,300 kilometers on the clock. This electric powerhouse boasts a range of features to make every drive a pleasure. From the luxurious interior with ambient lighting and multimedia player, to the cutting-edge safety features such as collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning. This vehicle has it all. With air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more, comfort and convenience are guaranteed. Additionally, this Skoda comes with roof rails, a powertrain warranty, and even an anti-corrosion warranty for added peace of mind. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can drive away with confidence. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Contact us today at spiritskoda.ie or visit our website for more information on this exceptional 2023 Skoda Enyaq 60 IV 60 5-door auto. Experience luxury, safety and style like never before. Drive the future today.